The following instructions are for the assembly of an epic table.
Before beginning, make sure you have the required tools and parts for this setup.
Start by placing the tabletop on a flat protected surface. Make sure that the inserts are facing up. Then you will place an epic frame leg onto the tabletop. Align the pre-drilled inserts with the epic frame leg. Using a screw gun and a 4mm hex bit, secure both of the frame legs to the top with the joint connector bolts. Once both of the leg frames are attached to the top, you will assemble the crossbar. Place the crossbar on the top and align it with the pre-drilled holes. Using the screw gun and a size 2 square bit, secure the crossbar to the top with the number 10 3/4 inch pan screws. There are 3 screws per side. Once the frame is fully set, then you will install the casters. Insert the stem of the caster into the hole on the bottom of the leg. Lock the caster and twist until it is tight. Once the caster is tight, do this for the rest of the legs. Once all of the casters are on and the frame is set, your epic table is ready to use. If you have any questions, call our customer service today.